Jai. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Yun lang. Matulog ka na talaga. Matulog na.
Yo, what up? It's Yo Bed. Alam nyo na, walang iba. Gusto ko lang batiin si Jai ng happy birthday sa'yo, my dear darling. Stay pretty, stay gorgeous and sexy always. Sipagan mo lang sa buhay mo, galingan mo lang palagi para sa'yo, para sa sarili mo at para kay Zeus. Be the best mom ever para sa kanya. Alam kong ginagawa mo lahat para kay Zeus. Huwag kang mapagod, galingan mo, at sana dumating na yung guy na mamahalin ka ng totoo at makahanap ka na ng partner mo in life. I'm always here for you, baby girl. Kahit anong mangyari. Just one call away, alright? Kita-kita tayo sa top. Once again, it's Yo motherfucking Bed. I miss you all, guys. Alam nyo na, walang iba. Peace!
Hi Jai, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is matupad lahat ng pangarap mo para sa anak mo, tsaka laging good health lang. And mag-ingat kayo palagi ng mama mo at more jowa at charot. Healthy relationship for this 2026 para sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Yes, hello babe. Happy birthday sa you. I wish you all the best and great things in life. Gora lang, diba? Tapos, God bless you always. Yes. Happy birthday din daw, sabi ni Aunt. Go!
Hindi ko ng happy birthday si Madam Jaira namin. Madam Jaira, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Ingat kayo dyan. See you soon. Let's go!
Hi Jai, happy birthday. Second birthday mo na magkasama tayo. And yun lang, thank you for the friendship. And ikaw talaga yung isa sa mga po na una naging ka-close ko sa apps. Alam mo, I'll always be here for you and thank you for the friendship.
Beshi, happy birthday. Blessing namin. I love you.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po! God bless you, may you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy 생일 축하해요. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 아미 생일 축하합니다. 우라해.
Happy birthday to you. 와! 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 우리 자기. 생일 축하합니다.